All right, everybody, welcome back. It's Kyle Bazzi here for the Benzinga Fintech Awards, where we're trying to find innovations and awesome companies that are trying to help you make money. Next up, we have Advizr, and I am here with co-founder Hussain Zaidi. Hussain, what's going on?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
Not too bad, not too bad. Let's jump right into it, and I want to learn about Advizr. What is the platform, and what are you guys doing?
Sure. So we're looking to disrupt the financial advice space. Advice, as you may or may not know, is usually a service that goes to very high net worth clients. We have TurboTax, so basically automated the financial planning process so that financial advisors can now offer that service to any one of their clients, whether they're middle market, meaning mass affluent, or they're their high net worth clients. They can also give that right directly to the client on a self-directed basis. So we're basically looking to deliver more plans and really help the advisors do that.
Right on. Definitely a space that needs some innovation. So we're going to jump into that in just a second, but let's get to some nitty-gritty stuff. How many employees are you VC funded? Where are you guys located?
Sure. So we're 5 full-time now, including freelancers at about 9. We've gone through 2 angel rounds so far, and we are seeking our Series A right now. So that's 2015 for us.
All right, and let's talk about the market. Why did you guys see this as an opportunity? Do you have any stats about how big the market is, or how many financial advisors there are to help out there? How many users that you guys are connecting with?
Sure. So there's 1.6 million financial professionals. If you include financial advisors, accountants, personal bankers, insurance agents, of those 1.6 million, you only have about 100,000 that are doing any type of advice delivery, meaning holistic advice. So our target market is really to focus on the majority of those advisors that are not offering advice and instead are really just focusing on investment management. So a fairly big space. Step one for us is really to be able to allow them to offer advice in a scalable way. And then in the future, we've got a lot of useful data which we'll be able to share back with the advisor, with the bank, where they'll be able to use that to increase their sales as well.
All right, so like right now, the process for getting a financial advisor is very clunky. It is not kind of brought up to today's Web 2.0 or especially the millennial generation. Let's talk about exactly what you guys are innovating and how are you making it easier for the advisor, but also hopefully translating that down to the end user too.
Sure. So the current process to create a plan right now for the traditional advisor is to hand a big pamphlet to their client, have them go home, fill it out, come back 2 weeks later. They take that data, they send it back to their back office. 2 weeks later, they get the data from the back office, and then they deliver this big binder that nobody ever reads. What we're doing is we are automating the process so that the financial advisor in that first meeting, in their conference room on a big screen TV, can collect the data from the client in a very collaborative way. And 15 to 20 minutes into that discussion, the financial plan is done. They can actually discuss the variables that get them on track. And instead of them creating that financial plan for the client, with Advizr, they're creating the plan with the client. And they're really taking their input to make better financial decisions.
So does the Advizr platform actually have a bunch of pre-determined templates based on preferences from the user that the advisor can kind of mesh and put together for that plan, or how does that work?
So we have smart questions that go out to the customer, the client, and they'll be able to answer those questions in a very customized way. By the time the plan comes to the client, it's actually custom. So instead of actually picking a template, it's specific to what that client said was most important to them. So our prioritization is even smarter. We're doing it based on exactly what that customer may want. Even if they're not $1 million client, the level of service is actually going to be much higher now for that client.
All right, I like that. One of the big problems with the financial advisors is they're not incentivized to help the guy with a little account, right? Somebody with an account less than $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 isn't really worth their time. So I like that part a lot. How long ago did you guys start?
Sure. So we launched the business about 1.5 years ago. We went into a soft launch just about 90 days, 3 months.
Okay.
We've been onboarding. We're officially launched now as of the last 60 days.
All right, so give me, obviously, brand new company. We love this kind of innovation. We love trying to help add tools to everybody. Again, creating wealth for the everyday person. What is the 30-second elevator pitch here on how Advizr is doing that and why you guys should win the Benzinga Fintech Awards?
Sure. Advisor is turbo-taxing the financial planning process so that any advisor, regardless of what type of clients that they focus on, is going to be able to offer holistic advice to their clients. And by doing that, not only are they going to help the client get a financial roadmap on what they need to do, they're also going to increase their share of wallet. They're going to increase their customer satisfaction and their customer loyalty. So this is a win-win for everybody. And we're simply scaling out the service through our automated service so that everybody can get that plan.
I'm not sure why I find financial innovation so sexy, but I like the idea. I like helping people make money. Hussain, Zaidi of Advizr, thanks for joining us today, and good luck in the competition.
Thank you, Kyle. Appreciate it.
All right, if you want to vote for Advizr, go to benzingafintech.awards.com. You can also check out all the other companies that are helping you create wealth, brought to you by Benzinga. We'll see you guys next time.